Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Daily Tech. Today we are going to unbox a brand new JioFi device. Yet it is a old device, JioFi 2. I have on my desk for review purpose, and this is the box which I have purchased from Amazon.com, and it cost around 999 rupees, but the price mentioned on the box is 2329. But you can buy this device online at the price of 999. And here some details are given below. Create your own hotspot, connect up to 31 devices, 2300 mAh battery, supports micro SD card up to 32 GB, enables HD voice and video call on any smartphone, wireless sharing through SD card. With love from Jio. And here is the model number, JioFi 2, your personal hotspot. And here are given some information about the JioFi device. Here it is mentioned that it is made in China device, not made in India. So let's unbox it. Here we have opened the seal of this device. First unbox it. Here you get some user manuals and paperwork. First of all, you get this user manual of JioFi device, in which it is mentioned that there is a USB connector, power button, some LED lights and a WPS push button. Kindly read this book before using the JioFi device. This is the warranty card, and this is how to use Jio 4G voice in any smartphone. Let's take out the device. Here it is the JioFi device. It is very lightweight. Here we have got the battery inside the box. The capacity of the battery is 2300 mAh battery, and it is also a made in China device. So we can power on this. We have got a power cable and a power adapter. Let's see the rating of this charger. Nothing is mentioned on the charger, so let's keep all this aside, and we can see the device itself. Here it is a device. Here it is written Jio 4G voice, download for free voice calls, Jio, power button, power on off press. Here is a WPS push button, and here are some notification LED lights. Here is some micro USB port for charging as well as connecting to your own computer or desktop. It is a removable back, I think so. Yes, it is removable. Here is the SIM card slot. Here is memory card slot, and some written over here, commodity name, router M2S, and MAC ID and password. First peel off this sticker. Here is the battery. I have inserted my Jio SIM in this device in this way. It is a micro SIM card. It is a nano SIM card, and let it power its on. Here you can see I have power on this device. All these LEDs are glowing. Here is a battery indicator, the data connection LED, the Wi-Fi LED, and WPS push LED. It boots up in a very fast way, and we have to wait 5 to 10 seconds until it is booted up. There are 3 colors on this tower signal. The red one is for no tower, blue is for moderate signal, and green is for full 4G signal. And here it has booted. After some time it will be booted up. Now we can connect to our own smartphone and we can see the speed test. Here I have got my Mi A1 device. Let's check the speed. I have to first connect to my JioFi device. Here you can see JioFi 2_0BF664 model number, and it is connected because I have connected this to my device. Here we can download internet speed meter lite for checking the speed, or Ookla. Let's see. what is the speed of this device. It is very fast. I can't believe this. It is downloading in a very fast way. After downloading this, we can do our speed test. Let's see. It has installed completely. Let's see the speed test. First of all, it is finding the server, and given the network is Jio. Yeah. Now it is connecting to the server. Here we can see the maximum download limits. Here we can see the maximum download limit is 3.1 Mbps. It is a nice speed. Now we can see the upload limits. The upload limit is 0.89 Mbps. It's also good for daily purpose. Now you can purchase this device on amazon.in or flipkart.com, or also you can visit to the nearest Jio official store or any other mobile shop. I have given the links to buy this device in the description below. Please like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.